How to delete multiple Instagram reels at once on your iPhone and Android. To delete multiple Instagram reels, first of all, you have to launch your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, then select the three lines from the top right corner and go through settings and activity. There you will see your activity. Select that and go through the reels. On the top right, you will see select option. Simply tap on it and select the reels that you want to delete. At last, you will see delete option. Simply tap on that and select delete again. In this way, you can easily delete multiple Instagram reels at once on your iPhone and Android that has been posted previously. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.